step of powering off the device content, press and hold the power button located on the right side of your Samsung Galaxy Z Ultra. A power menu will appear on the screen. Select power off and confirm your choice. Ensure the phone is completely turned off before proceeding to the next step. This ensures a clean and safe reset process step accessing the recovery mode content. Once the phone is completely off, press and hold the volume up button, the Bixby button if present, and the power button. Simultaneously continue holding these buttons until the Samsung logo appears on the screen and release the power button while continuing to hold the volume up and Bixby buttons. You should now see the Android recovery screen step navigating the recovery menu content. The recovery menu will be navigated using the volume buttons. Use the volume down button to scroll down to the option Wet Day Factory Reset and then press the power button to select it. You will be prompted to confirm your decision. Step confirming the factory reset content. Another screen will appear asking you to confirm. If you want to proceed with wiping all data and resetting the device to its factory settings, this will delete all your data, including apps, photos, videos, and settings. Use the volume down button to select yes and press the power button to confirm. This process may take several minutes. Step restarting your device content after the factory reset is complete. The phone will automatically reboot. This may take some time. Once the phone restarts, you will be guided through the initial setup process, just as you did when you first bought the device. You will need your Google account credentials to complete this process.